welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest videos. And today is Monday. I hope you're having a great day, or whenever you're watching this, I hope you're having a terrific day as well. But I got this PR package in the mail this weekend and I was like, I need to film this. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And it is from Profusion Cosmetics, which they sell it at Target now, which is super exciting. I am just so excited to be sharing this with you. It's going to be an unboxing video. I haven't opened it yet. I did slice the top of the box open because if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, on a few of the unboxing videos, I'm horrible at like getting them open, especially on camera. I don't know why, but so I already opened it. I have not opened any of the packaging inside. It's all wrapped. I have no idea what they sent me and I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. I'm so beyond grateful to get packages like this. Thank you so much for following me along and supporting my journey and everything, but I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I'll have everything listed down below so you guys can check it out if you are interested, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's just get into it. I'm so excited. The first thing when you open the box are these two little flyers. Again, I don't even know what's in here. So the first one just says Daydream Believing, which is so cute. I love the color combination of this, and it says included in your box, which I'll have all of the details listed down below. Basically, it's available at Target now, which is super cool, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. It basically says, we want to encourage you to never quit your daydream, and we are here to give you the affordable, high-quality tools to continue your craft and passion. Turn your daydream into a reality, whatever it may be, which is so cute. I'm so excited about this. Again, this is not a sponsored video. They just sent this to me, and I wanted to open it with you guys because I love watching these kind of videos on YouTube, so I hope you guys enjoy it. The next one is just a little like flyer as well, and it just tells us a little bit more about Profusion Cosmetics. They have 20 years of experience working with the best manufacturers. I'll have their socials listed down below as well if you are interested in trying it out. I've never tried one of their products before, but I've heard really good reviews about it, so I'm super excited about it. Then we just have a little piece of tissue, some bubble wrap, and then guys, look how many things are in here, and they're all packaged up really cute. So the first thing is this little like notebook and pen. So it's a clicky pen, and it just says Profusion Cosmetics, and then it has a Daydream Believing notepad, which you guys know I love writing notes. I'll probably just put this in one of my purses, have it if I have any ideas I want to jot down. That is seriously so cute. So the first package, let's open this big one, is this blue one, and the packaging is so cute. It's kind of squishy. I'm not sure what's in here. So, oh, it's bubble wrap. That's why it's squishy. Okay guys, look how gorgeous this palette is. Oh, my ring light's really annoying, but it is a super pretty 21 shade eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a brush. Oh my goodness, I love all of these colors. Again, I'm just starting to get into makeup, so I might not know all the makeup terms, but this is really, really pretty. So you open it up, it just has their little piece of plastic on it. I'm sorry, my ring light is so bright, but you gotta love it. And this just peels off. I'm not gonna peel it off yet, but look how gorgeous these colors are. It's like really warm, and then the back of it has an example on how to do like a really pretty smoky eye. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this out. I'm definitely gonna have to film some makeup tutorials with all of this. Then we have this one that's super cute. You guys know I love pink. I probably should have opened this one first because it's my favorite color, but that palette is gorgeous. This one is Lips to Go. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. Look how pretty this packaging is. It's like metallic, and it has these really gorgeous lip colors. So it has a matte lip cream, a matte lip liner, and a sparkling lip topper. You guys know I love sparkles. This is so pretty. I love how like it's such a neutral but like a little bit of pink in it. I'm so excited to try these out, you guys. We're gonna have a whole Profusion look going on eventually. The next one is this cute little purple package. It's got some more bubble wrap in it. Oh guys, this is a blush and glow palette. This might be my new favorite thing ever. It's a 5-color blush and highlight palette. Oh my gosh, isn't that just the prettiest thing you've ever seen? Oh, I'm so excited to try this out. These are just so pretty. This will be perfect for the end of summer going into fall, and look at these highlights. I'm obsessed. Gosh, okay. And then again, it has another example on where to place it, like how to do it, which is awesome, especially if you are a newbie at makeup like I am. Got another big package, and this one's purple, you guys. Palettes are seriously so amazing. Oh wow, you guys. They sent me their Sculpt and Glow palette. I was just going on about how I love highlight, but I also like bronzers and contours, and this is awesome. So this is really summery. Comes with a little brush too, which is always so nice, but it just has 7 highlighters in it, 2 sculpt and contours, and this really nice brush. I'm so excited to try this out, and it has the little tutorial again on the back. The colors are just so pretty, and I love their packaging on this. I love all of this like metallic going on. That is so trendy right now. And the last package is a pink one. I saved the pink one for last because pink's my favorite color. I was so excited about this. Oh my gosh, guys, it has tweezers. I've been needing some tweezers. So this has 5-piece brow palette with primer and dual end brow brush, brow pencil, clear brow gel, and tweezers. Guys, this is gonna keep me busy for a while. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try this out. The tweezers look really nice. They're like a matte black. It has a brow pencil, the liquid. I'm so excited about this. Okay, I could not be more grateful right now. So I just want to give a huge thank you to Profusion Cosmetics for sending this to me. You guys are seriously so amazing. Thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me on my journey. I'm so excited to try this out. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more makeup tutorials from me. We can be using our new products. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Monday, or whenever you're watching this, I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest videos, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!